Roll-off dumpster rental, Newport, Maine. Are you tackling a home renovation project in Newport, Maine? From fresh walls to new fixtures, transforming your space can be incredibly rewarding. But there's one thing every remodel has in common: the mess. Old drywall, lumber, broken tiles, and outdated fixtures pile up fast, creating a huge need for convenient waste disposal. Anyone who's worked on a home improvement project knows that waste accumulates quickly. Each stage of renovation brings its own type of debris, whether it's framing from a wall removal, ripped-out cabinetry, or discarded flooring. This can become overwhelming and often a challenge to dispose of efficiently. That's where we come in. Patriot Waste Disposal provides reliable roll-off dumpster rental in Newport, Maine. We'll deliver it right to your driveway, ready for you to fill. Our dumpsters are the perfect solution for managing your renovation waste. Simply toss in all those unwanted materials, and when you're ready, we'll take care of the rest. No mess, no hassle. Getting a dumpster is easy. Simply give us a call at 207-949-8100, and we'll help you select the perfect dumpster size for your renovation. Patriot Waste Disposal, the partner you can trust for a cleaner, safer renovation site. Let's make waste one less worry.